top 3 strongest fighter jets in the world by 2025.
First century, air superiority remains a decisive factor in the outcome of any modern military conflict. Amid rising strategic competition between military powers such as the United States, Russia, and China, the development of fifth-generation fighter jets has become a symbol of technological dominance and superior combat capability. These aircraft far surpass their predecessors in stealth, sensor integration, and information processing speed. They are also designed to serve as the central nodes in network-centric warfare, where data and synchronized coordination are critical to success. In this context, we will explore and compare 3 of the most prominent fifth-generation fighter jets: the F-35 Lightning II and the F-22 Raptor from the United States, and Russia's Su-57 Felon. Each represents a distinct design philosophy, shaped by the military strategies and technological priorities of its home nation. By examining the strengths and weaknesses of these aircraft, readers will gain a clearer perspective on the aerial technology race unfolding above the world today. Martin F-35 Lightning II, USA. The Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II is one of the most modern and widely used fifth-generation fighter jets in the world today. Developed by the United States in cooperation with several allied nations, it represents a pinnacle of advanced military aviation. One of the F-35's most outstanding advantages is its stealth technology. This allows the aircraft to penetrate enemy airspace with minimal detection by conventional radar systems. Its optimized aerodynamic design, combined with radar-absorbent materials, delivers high-level stealth performance across a wide range of frequency bands. In addition to stealth, the F-35 features some of the most advanced sensors and electronics in the world. Its AESA radar, AN/APG-81, Electro-Optical Targeting System, EOTS, and Distributed Aperture System, DAS, give the pilot a 360-degree view of the battlespace. This allows for target detection and engagement at long ranges without ever needing to expose the aircraft. Another major strength of the F-35 is its ability to operate in network-centric warfare environments. The aircraft does more than fight. It acts as a real-time information hub, collecting and distributing battlefield data to ground, air, and sea units. This dramatically enhances the effectiveness of joint operations. Among the 3 variants, the F-35B stands out as a technological marvel. With its vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL capability, it can operate from smaller aircraft carriers or remote airfields, offering unmatched operational flexibility. However, the F-35 is not without its drawbacks. One of the most pressing concerns is its high operating cost. The complexity of its electronics and the maintenance of its stealth coding make each flight hour extremely expensive, posing challenges, particularly for allied nations that have acquired the jet. Furthermore, despite its many strengths, the F-35's combat range, especially in the B and C variants, is somewhat limited compared to the F-22 Raptor. While aerial refueling can address this to some degree, it remains a concern in extended-range missions. Nonetheless, the F-35 symbolizes the future of multi-role air combat platforms. By merging stealth, superior situational awareness, and cutting-edge connectivity, it stands as one of the most formidable weapons of the 21st century. Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor, USA. The Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor is the world's first fifth-generation fighter jet, designed with a single, uncompromising goal: to achieve absolute air superiority. First introduced in the early 2000s, the F-22 stands as a pinnacle of engineering, combining unmatched stealth, supercruise capability, cutting-edge sensors, and elite dogfighting performance. The result is an aircraft that remains nearly unbeatable in modern air combat. One of the F-22's most outstanding features is its exceptional stealth. Unlike the multi-role F-35, the F-22 was purpose-built for air dominance. Its airframe, along with its radar-absorbent materials, was carefully engineered to minimize its radar cross-section to the greatest extent possible. This allows the Raptor to operate deep in enemy territory with minimal risk of detection. Another defining capability is its supercruise. the ability to fly at sustained supersonic speeds, above Mach 1.5, without afterburners. This provides a clear advantage in range, fuel efficiency, and infrared signature reduction, all crucial for stealthy, hit-and-run tactics. In terms of electronics, the F-22 carries the AN/APG-77 AESA radar, a powerful system capable of tracking and engaging multiple targets at long range, all while keeping the aircraft's own position hidden. When combined with its advanced avionics, the F-22 offers pilots a superior tactical picture of the entire battle space. In close-range dogfighting, the F-22 is virtually unmatched. With its high thrust-to-weight ratio, instantaneous acceleration, and refined aerodynamics, it can execute extreme maneuvers with extraordinary precision, giving it an edge in any aerial engagement. However, the F-22 is not without significant limitations. Most notably, production ended in 2011 with only 186 units ever built. This decision, driven by high costs and shifting defense priorities, drastically limited the number of Raptors available for deployment around the world. Additionally, its maintenance costs are extremely high, especially for the stealth coating, which demands frequent upkeep to maintain its effectiveness. Moreover, US law prohibits the export of the F-22. Despite strong interest from allies such as Japan and Israel, the Raptor remains an exclusive asset of the United States Air Force. Still, the F-22 Raptor continues to be the gold standard in aerial combat, often regarded as the king of the skies. It has set a benchmark that all modern fighter aircraft are measured against today. The Sukhoi Su-57 designated Felon by NATO is Russia's first fifth-generation fighter jet, developed to counter advanced Western aircraft like the F-22 Raptor and the F-35 Lightning II. Designed by the Sukhoi Design Bureau, the Su-57 emerged from the PAC-FE program, launched in the early 2000s. Its goal, to produce a versatile combat aircraft that combines stealth, agility, and heavy firepower. While its stealth capabilities do not fully match those of its American counterparts, the Su-57 still features a significantly reduced radar cross-section, thanks to its optimized shaping and internal weapons bays. These are major improvements over previous generations of Sukhoi fighters. The Su-57's most defining strength lies in its exceptional maneuverability. This is made possible by advanced 3D thrust vectoring and the powerful Izdelia 30 engines. These features allow the aircraft to perform high angle of attack maneuvers and maintain precise control at low speeds, giving it a critical edge in close-range air combat. At the same time, the Su-57 is a formidable long-range platform, equipped with a wide range of weapons. Among them is the R-37M, a long-range air-to-air missile capable of striking targets over 300 kilometers away, posing a serious threat to enemy OACs, tankers, and command aircraft. In addition, the Su-57 can carry cruise missiles, guided bombs, and even tactical nuclear weapons, making it suitable for a wide variety of modern combat missions. Another major advantage is its relatively lower production and operating cost compared to the F-22 or F-35. Thanks to domestic manufacturing and simpler logistics, Russia can, in theory, produce the Su-57 in larger numbers and offer it to international partners such as India or potentially even China. However, the Su-57 faces several serious challenges. Its stealth performance is still inferior to US fifth-generation fighters, with visible features such as exposed engine intakes and canopy design reducing its radar evasion. Production remains limited, with only a few dozen units in service as of 2025, hindering any large-scale deployment. Perhaps most critically, the Su-57 has yet to be tested extensively in real combat, apart from a handful of reported missions in Syria aimed mainly at evaluating systems and performance. Nonetheless, the Su-57 represents a significant leap forward in Russia's military aviation capabilities, and if it can overcome its current limitations, it may very well emerge as a serious challenger to Western air dominance in the decade ahead. F-35 Lightning II. F-22 Raptor and Su-57 Felon each stand as clear testaments to the dramatic leap in military aviation technology in the 21st century. Every aircraft reflects the distinct philosophy and defense strategy of its nation of origin. The F-35 focuses on multi-role capabilities and advanced network connectivity. The F-22 represents the pinnacle of air superiority and unmatched stealth. Meanwhile, the Su-57 showcases remarkable agility and long-term development potential at a comparatively lower cost. Yet, no design is without its flaws. While the United States holds a decisive edge in stealth technology and electronic systems, Russia compensates for technical limitations by emphasizing close-range dogfighting and long-range firepower. The emergence and rivalry of fifth-generation fighters have not only shifted the balance of power in the skies, they are reshaping the very nature of future warfare. In this new era, victory will depend not solely on firepower or sheer numbers, but on the speed of data transmission, the degree of stealth, and the ability of forces to act in seamless coordination. Looking ahead to the next decade, as technologies like artificial intelligence, loyal wingman drones, and electronic warfare continue to evolve, fifth-generation fighters are poised to take on an even greater role, becoming the central command hubs of the modern battlespace.